Hello everyone and welcome back to CNC Design Vault. In today's video, I'm going to show you this beautiful 3D CNC design created in Aspire 9.5. Let's open the project and take a closer look. As you can see, this is the complete 3D relief model. Let me rotate it so you can view the design from different angles. This gives you a better idea of the carving depth, details, and overall appearance before machining. Now let's move to the job setup section and check the actual size of this 3D design. As you can see, the x-axis size is 11.7 inches, which represents the width of the design. The y-axis size is 7.3 inches, which represents the height of the design. And finally, the z-axis, which shows the depth or carving thickness, is 0.5 inches. So the overall dimensions of this 3D model are 11.7 inches times 7.3 inches times 0.5 inches. Now let me show you how to resize your 3D design according to your project requirements. First, go to the drawing section, then open Transform Objects and click on Set Selected Object Size. When this window opens, all the size fields may appear blank. Don't worry. Simply click once on your 3D model and the current dimensions will automatically appear. Here, you'll see both the X and Y sizes of your model. The most important thing to remember is to keep the Link X and Y option checked. This ensures that when you change the X size, the Y size will automatically adjust proportionally. As a result, your design or vector will maintain its original shape and won't become stretched or distorted. Another important option is Auto Scale Z. Make sure this is also checked. With Auto Scale Z enabled, the carving depth of your 3D model will automatically scale according to the new size, maintaining the correct proportions of the design. Once you've entered your desired size, your model will be resized perfectly and will be ready for machining. Next, I'll open the 3D modeling section. One of the best features of this design is that it can be ungrouped. Let me ungroup the vectors for you. As you can see, every individual element is now separated. This means you don't have to use the entire design. If you only need a specific carving or decorative element for another CNC project, you can simply select that part and use it independently. This gives you much more flexibility when creating custom furniture, doors, wall panels, or other woodworking projects. Another great advantage of this design is its versatility. This 3D carving is not limited to a single project. You can use it in a wide variety of woodworking applications. For example, it can be carved on wooden beds, wall panels, cabinet doors, wardrobe panels, wooden chairs, room dividers, decorative furniture, headboards, entrance doors, and many other custom CNC projects. Now let's generate the 3D finishing toolpath. I'll select the finishing toolpath settings and calculate the machining preview. This preview lets you see exactly how the final carving will look before you run the job on your CNC machine. It's always a good idea to check the machining simulation first to make sure everything looks perfect. The software has now finished calculating the toolpath. And here is the final machining preview. As you can see, all the carving details are clean, smooth, and well-defined. This gives you a clear idea of the final result that your CNC machine will produce. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CNC Design Vault for more free 2D and 3D CNC designs, Aspire tutorials, and woodworking ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.